To my channel, and in this video I will show you how I set up my Python development environment windows step by step. If you're a beginner and want to start coding in Python the right way, or if you have been struggling with setting up your tools, this video is for you. I'll be walking you through the exact tools I use. I use Python, VS Code, Poetry, GitHub, and presently Django. I have installed and configured all on my Windows PC. That said, let's get started. The first thing I did was to install Python. I got into the official website of Python, that is python.org, and I downloaded the latest version. During the installation, there is a very important step you must take note of. Make sure to check the box that says Add Python to Path. After installation, I'll open my terminal and type in Python version to confirm that Python was correctly installed and ready to go. Next was installation of my Visual Studio Code. Now, you can download Visual Studio Code from the code.visualstudio.com. Once it's installed, next is to upload some extensions that will make work easier and fun feel. To manage my code and collaborate well, I use Git and GitHub. I installed Git from git-.com. Then I configured it using the terminal. There are three codes you must always observe when working with Git. The first is git init. The second is git config --global user.name. And the third is git config --global user.email. This links my Git installation to my GitHub account. Once this is done, with my VS Code, I can conveniently clone a repository from GitHub, I can commit changes, and I can push updates all without leaving my editor. Another vital thing I must mention is managing Python environments and dependencies. I use a tool called Poetry. Poetry makes managing environment and dependencies easy and convenient. To install Poetry, I advise you go to the official homepage of Poetry. You'll find that on python-poetry.org. There you'll find relevant instructions to help you get started with Poetry. Once it is installed, you can create new projects by running Poetry new, then your project name. After a new project is created, next is to change directory back to the new project. Then activate the environment using Poetry env activate. From here, you can always install any library you need for that project. Watch out, as I'll be taking comprehensive lesson on how to get started with Poetry. Once everything is set up, I can start building. I can start creating my Django project. And that's it. That's how I set up my Python development environment on Windows. With just a few tools, I use Python, VS Code, GitHub, Poetry, and Django. You can create powerful projects and stay organized from day one. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and consider subscribing for more beginner-friendly Python tutorials.